Okay, Ayesha. Fine. So today we have to start with the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. So first of all, before understanding what is a quadrilateral, we would understand what is a polygon. Okay. Now, what is a polygon? Polygon is a
Polygon which has three or
yes,
more equal sides.
yes. Polygon is basically a closed figure. I would say a closed figure made only of line segments. This is very important. First of all, it has to be closed. Second, it should only be made of line segment. Okay, I'll give you examples. This is a polygon. Okay, like this is a polygon. This is a polygon. Aisha, tell me, is this a polygon? A circle?
No, sir.
No, because it is made up, not made up of line segments. Tell me, is this a polygon? This figure I draw, this one. Is this a polygon?
Yes. No. Because
No,
there
it is
should be
also
three or more line segments.
yes. So tell me, is this a polygon?
Yes.
See, I told you two things. It has to be important. One is a closed figure, and second is line segment. So line segments, yes, but is it closed or is it open?
Sorry, open.
It is open, right? Closed means you can enter into it. Okay. Closed means you cannot enter. Here we cannot enter. Suppose you want to go in this, no, it will stop you. Here you can go in from here. Got it? So closed figure, one thing, and second is line segments. This is very important. What is a polygon? Polygon is a figure made up of closed figure made up of only of line segments. Okay, fine. Now the first type of polygon which we have. Aisha, can you tell me which is the shortest polygon?
Triangle.
Yes. The shortest polygon is a triangle. Triangle is polygon with three sides. With three sides. So a polygon with three sides is known as a triangle. Okay. I'll give you examples. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. All these are triangles. Okay. Now I shall suppose I have a triangle in this. The three sides are equal. Do you know what type of triangle it is? Where the three sides are equal. No. Which is this is known as an equilateral triangle. What do we call it? Aisha, are you there? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
hear me? Yes, Aisha. I'm asking, but see this a triangle which has all the sides equal, that is known as an equilateral triangle. Okay, a triangle which has all the three sides equal, that is known as an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle.
Okay.
Equilateral triangle. We have another triangle in which two sides are equal. That we call
Hypotenuse.
isosceles. This is very basic. Isosceles triangle.
Which doesn't have
Last
any
one.
equal side is called plane.
Yes, very good. The last one is known as scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Okay. Equilateral, isosceles, scaling. This is very basic. Now the next type of figure which we are going to talk about, and the chapter is about that, is known as a quadrilateral. Now quad means four. Quad means four. So a polygon with four sides is known as a quadrilateral. A polygon with four sides only. Okay. So I'll give you examples of quadrilateral. That is this, 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 this. Anything. All these are quadrilaterals. Okay.
Okay.
A figure with four sides. Now the next is we have a pentagon. Pentagon, a polygon with five sides. A polygon with five sides. Pent means five. Polygon with five sides. So this is a yes, Ayesha. Yes, Ayesha, can you hear me? No? Yes, Ayesha, now can you hear me? Are you there? Are you facing a network issue?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, fine. So Ayesha, the next type is a polygon with five sides. That is a pentagon. It can be like this, like this. ये तो वो अच्छा सा लगा हुआ है. Can be like this also. So various types of pentagon as well. Now we have in a pentagon a regular pentagon. What is a regular pentagon? Regular
Where
pentagon.
all sides are equal.
Yes. All sides and all angles are equal. Basically, a regular polygon, if I talk about, first I'll tell you this. All sides and all angles are equal. Okay, so this is a regular pentagon. Generally, if I talk about a regular polygon, a polygon with all sides and all angles equal, all interior angles equal. Okay. Now the next is, Aisha, can you tell me what is a regular polygon for quadrilaterals? Is there a special name for regular polygon for quadrilateral, or basically a regular quadrilateral?
Yes,
If
sir.
you Yeah. Do you have any idea what that is?
Square
Yes, we call
can
it square.
be octagon,
Square. For a quadrilateral, the regular
heptagon,
quadrilateral is square.
octagon, and
Yes. So now the next is hexagon, a polygon with 6 sides.
hexagon.
Yes. Polygon with 6 sides, like this. And regular is when all the sides are equal. Aisha, I want you to note this much first.
Okay. I mistakenly I left the class.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
So can you scroll down? Sir, can you scroll it down? Sir, can you scroll down? Sir, can you scroll down?
It is still here only, Aisha. Fine. Now let's see. One more thing. What is a convex polygon and what is a concave polygon?
Convex polygon is where inside all lines are equal.
Yes. Basically, concave polygon is where all the internal angles are less than much less than 90 degree. So where all the internal not 90 degree, 180 degree, or less than 180 degree, or basically all the, you can say, obtuse angle or the external angle are greater than 90 degree. Suppose basically very simple. A triangle, this is concave. Square is concave. This is concave. This figure is concave. Okay, this is a concave figure. But what is a convex figure? You're gonna find that out. Convex figure. It is somewhat like this. Yeah, sorry, oh, I wrote opposite. Where was it? Sorry, this was convex. I got confused. Convex polygon, where all the internal angles are less than 180 degree, and this is a concave figure, concave polygon. Concave polygon. This very concave polygon looks like this. Can you see outside?
Okay.
We are getting a cave type structure. Cave. This is a cave, right? Cave.
Yes.
Yes. So this is a concave. A more better आपको यहाँ दिखेगा. Convex polygons are these. The one is the example. Concave polygons are these. Is this clear? What is a concave and what are convex polygons? Yes, Aisha.
What, sir?
Are convex and concave polygons clear to you? See, you gonna see them and see these are convex. These are concave. You can easily see that one of them exterior angle you are getting, that is less than 90. This, okay.
Oh,
Basically
okay.
internal angle is greater than 90. You can also say that the internal angle is given 180 greater than 180. See, 180 से बड़ा है, 180 से बड़ा है. This is also greater than 180, greater than 180. Let's here all the are less than 180, right? No one is equal to or greater than. Okay, is this clear, Aisha?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Please note this down.
Road, sir.
Okay, Ayesha. Now I also told you what are regular polygons, what are irregular polygons. Now
Yes,
in
yes.
the exercise 3.1, regular polygons are the polygons with equal sides and angles. So exercise 3.1, here are some figures. Aisha, you need to classify them into simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex polygon, and concave polygon. First, tell me what all here are simple curves.
The first, second, and fifth, sixth,
Sixth, yes.
and
Seventh
seventh.
also is a simple curve, yes. Sir. Seventh and even third. Only 4 and 8 are not simple curves. Tell me what a simple closed curve.
First, second,
Correct.
fourth,
Correct. Third is
fifth,
not closed. Third is not closed.
sixth,
Seventh.
seventh, and finish that much.
Yes. What all are here are polygons?
First,
Hmm.
second,
Correct.
and I don't see other one.
Is fourth not a polygon?
Which one, sir?
Fourth, the star.
Oh yeah, but again, it is.
Suppose 1, 2, 3. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides, and 6 sides. Yes, Aisha, tell me.
Okay, I didn't understood.
Aisha, I told you what are regular polygons, right? Tell
Yes,
me please, what is a regular polygon?
of three sides.
Regular polygon, I repeat, regular.
Equilateral,
Regular.
equilateral triangle, four sides
Yes, correct.
square, and six sides
Correct.
regular hexagon.
Very good. Very good. Fine. So we are done with this part. Now we are going to do that sum of measures of exterior angles of a triangle. Just a minute, I'll be back. Yes. So Aisha, now basically
Yes,
scientists
sir.
have discovered, basically it was found out that no matter what the polygon is. So first of all, what is an exterior angle? See, exterior angle, angle at the outside, angle at the outside of any triangle. Okay, that is an exterior angle. And basically, suppose I have a figure, triangle. So I'll extend this one side, the angle formed between this side, extended side, and this. This is known as an exterior angle. Okay, Aisha? This is an exterior angle. Is this clear first of all? What is an exterior angle?
Okay.
Yes. Now, sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. No matter what the polygon is, regular or irregular, whatever, the sum of exterior angles of any polygon would be 360 degrees. So suppose I have a triangle. So exterior angles would be this, and this. Their sum would be their sum would be 360 degrees. Okay. Any polygon, whether it be 4 sides, 10 sides, 100 sides, still the sum of the exterior angles would be 360 degrees. Is this clear, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please note this. Then we are going to do a question.
Done, sir.
I should try this question now. You have this figure in front of you. You have to find out x. Try it out.
Okay, sir. Sir, 110 degree.
Yes, Aisha, that is correct. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon with each exterior angle. Aisha, try example number 2.
Sir, I'm not able to do this.
Okay, Aisha, see. They are saying find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees. Okay. Now, we know for a fact that sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees, right? Sum is equal to 360 degrees. And here it is given one angle is equal to
Sorry, sir,
45
can you
degree.
repeat what you said?
Sorry.
Can you repeat what you
So if
said? I
now
wasn't
and
able to.
yes, yes. But I'm saying that we know that sum is equal to 360 degree, right? Sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, and
Yes,
it is also given that it is a regular polygon. So if it is a regular polygon, this means all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal, right? All the sides are
yes.
equal and also all the angles are equal. So each angle
Hmm.
is 45. So 45 plus 45 plus 45, how much of them is equal to 360, right? Because sum of all of
Hmm.
the exterior angles is 360. Got my point?
Hmm.
Yes. Now I shall suppose there were two angles. Sorry, suppose there were it was a suppose there were three sides. Okay. So what should be the sums? 45 plus 45 plus 45. That is 45 into 3. If there were four sides, it should be 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45. That is 45 into 4.
45
So if
into
there are
6, then we'll get
no,
360.
no, we don't get on 6. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll assume that the number of sides be x. So when three number of sides, it is 45 into 3. When four number of sides, it is 45 into 4. So when it is x number of sides, it is 45 into x. Got my point? So let the number of sides be x. So 45 plus 45 into x number of times. So that is 45 into x is equal to 360. Now is this step clear, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now from here we can find out x is equal to 360 by
45
45.
into 8.
360 by 45. So this is 45 ones are 45 eights are. So x is equal to 8. So there are 8 number of sides in this regular polygon. So this is a regular octagon. Okay. Therefore, there are 8 sides of the polygon. There are 8 sides of the polygon. Is this clear, Aisha, now?
Yes, sir.
Please note this down.
Okay. Well, sir.
Okay, Aisha. Now try. Aisha, question number 1. Try question number 1. Both the parts.
No, sir, I got 110 degrees.
Got 110 degrees for the first one. And the second one? Try the second part, B part. First one is
50
correct.
degrees. 50 degrees.
50. So
Yes, sir.
70 uh, 180 plus 60, that is 240 plus 70, that is 310. 50 degrees is the correct answer. Fine. Aisha, I want you to try out question number 2 now.
Okay. Sir, 40 degree.
40 degree for the first one, 9 for the third. Correct. And second one?
I didn't get that. I'm done,
Second,
sir.
try it down. Okay, okay.
24 degree.
24 degrees. 15 into 24 is correct, Aisha. Very good. Now, fine, Aisha. Now we are done with today's class. I'll be giving you some homework. You can try that, and we'll be doing that in the next class. We'll be discussing that in the next class. The homework. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay.